Unveiling the mysteries of deep-sea creatures. The deep sea remains one of Earth's final frontiers, an enigmatic world that lies thousands of meters below the ocean's surface. This vast, pitch-black expanse is home to some of the planet's most extraordinary and alien-looking creatures, many of which have evolved to thrive in extreme and seemingly inhospitable conditions. Despite advances in deep-sea exploration technology, we have only scratched the surface in understanding the unique adaptations, behaviors, and diversity of life lurking in the deep. The deep-sea environment, a world of extremes. The deep-sea environment is characterized by total darkness, immense pressure, and near-freezing temperatures. As sunlight only penetrates about 200 meters below the ocean's surface, deep-sea creatures have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive in darkness. The pressure at these depths can be more than 1,000 times greater than at sea level, which would be fatal for most organisms. But for deep-sea animals, these extreme conditions are simply home, and they have evolved in unique ways to make it a livable environment. Meet the giants of the deep. Some of the most fascinating deep-sea creatures are the giant species that have fascinated humans for centuries. The giant squid is a prime example. Once thought to be a sailor's tall tale, this elusive creature can grow to over 40 feet in length and is armed with long tentacles and powerful suckers. It wasn't until recent decades that scientists captured footage of a live giant squid, allowing us to better understand its biology and behavior. Yet, much of its life cycle, including mating and hunting habits, remains a mystery. Another massive resident of the deep is the colossal squid, even larger and more elusive than the giant squid. Found primarily in the Antarctic, the colossal squid has enormous eyes, the largest of any known animal, which help it detect prey in near total darkness. Its diet, behavior, and exact population are all subjects of ongoing research, with many unknowns still lingering. Bioluminescent wonders, lighting up the dark. To survive in the pitch-black depths, many deep-sea creatures produce their own light through a process called bioluminescence. This ability is found in a wide range of deep-sea animals, from fish to jellyfish to squid. The anglerfish, for example, uses a bioluminescent lure to attract prey. Its glowing lure dangles in front of its massive mouth, enticing curious fish to come close, only to become the anglerfish's next meal. This adaptation not only helps the anglerfish hunt but also assists in communication and camouflage from predators. Bioluminescent animals like the dumbo octopus have a gentler appearance but a similarly complex biology. Named for its ear-like fins that resemble the Disney character Dumbo's ears, this octopus hovers gracefully along the ocean floor in search of small crustaceans and worms. With a gelatinous body that can withstand high pressures, the dumbo octopus exemplifies the deep-sea adaptation to darkness and pressure. Its bioluminescent capabilities are used more subtly, possibly for communication or camouflage rather than hunting. Surviving the high pressures of the deep. The extreme pressure at deep-sea depths poses one of the biggest challenges for survival. At depths of over 3,000 meters, where most deep-sea creatures reside, the pressure is intense enough to crush human bones. Deep-sea animals, however, have evolved specialized cell structures and flexible bodies that allow them to survive and thrive. Unlike shallow water fish, which would be crushed under these conditions, deep-sea fish have minimal skeletal structures and are often gelatinous to adapt to the pressure. The Hadal snailfish, found at depths of 8,000 meters in the Mariana Trench, is one such example. This small, translucent fish has a gelatinous body that withstands immense pressure while enabling it to move and hunt effectively in its dark, high-pressure environment. Studying the snailfish and its adaptations offers clues about how life can survive in some of the planet's most hostile conditions. Why is studying deep-sea life so difficult? Despite its allure, the deep sea remains one of the least explored regions on Earth due to the extreme difficulties involved in reaching it. Specialized submarines and remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, are required to withstand the high pressures and dark conditions, making deep-sea research costly and logistically complex. Furthermore, many deep-sea creatures are sensitive to light and sound, making it challenging to observe them without disrupting their natural behaviors. Moreover, deep-sea exploration is time-consuming. Deploying and retrieving ROVs or submersibles from deep-sea missions can take hours, limiting how much scientists can study in one dive. Limited funding and technological constraints further hinder our ability to study and understand deep-sea ecosystems. Nonetheless, advances in marine technology, including the use of autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, and high-resolution imaging, are slowly shedding light on these mysterious depths. New discoveries await. The deep sea is a treasure trove of undiscovered species. Scientists estimate that up to 2/3 of all deep-sea creatures remain unknown, with new species being discovered regularly. In recent years, researchers have found species with extraordinary adaptations, such as transparent fish, predatory jellyfish, and even microbial life that feeds on chemicals from hydrothermal vents. Each new discovery broadens our understanding of biodiversity and the limits of life on Earth, potentially offering clues about how life might exist on other planets with similar extreme conditions. The deep sea's ecological importance. Studying the deep sea isn't just about exploring the unknown, it has practical implications for our planet's health. The deep sea plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate by storing carbon and cycling nutrients. Understanding the complex ecosystems and food webs that exist in these depths can help scientists better predict changes in global ocean health and climate. A world yet to be explored. In many ways, the deep sea is Earth's most mysterious environment. Its inhabitants challenge our understanding of life's adaptability, revealing complex and alien adaptations that allow them to survive where light cannot reach, and pressure is immense. As technology continues to advance, scientists are optimistic about the discoveries that lie ahead in this vast underwater wilderness. The deep sea holds countless secrets, and uncovering them could transform not only our understanding of marine life, but our perception of life's potential across the universe.